Hello, I'm doing this quick video to warm everybody interested in silverware and the Ichin O11. I just received a new Ichin O11 board that I ordered from Banggood. I ordered it as a spare part, so it was not a complete O11 quadcopter. And Ichin has updated their design and their board to, of course, make it cheaper, and it's not possible anymore to flash it with silverware. Oh, at least for the moment, until someone find a way to do it. For the moment, it's not anymore possible, and I don't think it is possible at all. There's no more STM chip on it. There's only two small chips. I'll let you have a look if some to see. The revision date also was updated because now it's November. I'm not sure if we can see nicely in the camera. I'll show both face, both sides. So be warm if you want to silverize an Ichin O11. You may be disappointed just like me. For myself, I will turn to Bolt Clash 1 instead, I think. It seems that Ichin O11C is still not affected. I didn't heard any problem from anyone with it, but we can think it will follow the same path, so it's the end of the Ichin O11 and silverware, I think. So that's all. Be warm and thank you for watching. Bye bye.